Good afternoon, everybody. Oh, please sit. Yes. Can you everyone hear me? We are hoping. We'll give it a shot, and if we have to stop, we'll do so. But I want to say welcome. Good afternoon, and welcome to everyone. Welcome to the Bridgestone Commercial Solutions Press Conference. My name is Ivar Broger, and I am a Bridgestone engineer. This is a very exciting time for us engineers. As you may know, over the past several months, my colleagues and I have revolutionized tire performance. We've revolutionized it through our sports balls and puck. At this year's Super Bowl, we launched a new series of commercials called Time to Perform, which featured some of the greatest athletes in the world of sports, and they were demonstrating the revolutionary performance aspects that we've been perfecting at Bridgestone tires. But we aren't stopping there. No. Today, ladies and gentlemen, you're in for a treat. Everybody here today at the press conference will be among the very first to screen the latest in our series of Time to Perform commercials. This is a commercial that has never aired on national TV. So, shall we take a look at it?
Well, this performance bowling ball is yet another way Bridgestone is bringing its tire technologies to the world of sports.
Right. It's about going farther with less energy. The same technology that can save you up to $450 in gas over the life of our Ecopia tires is being tested here. That's Pro Bowling champ Kelly Kulik.
Minimal exertion, maximum distance, and control.
Looks like Kelly wants your prototype.
At Bridgestone, our passion for performance knows no bounds.
Well, it's not bad for an engineer, huh? Anyway, as you know, I'm sure, at Bridgestone, our passion for technology never rests, and our work is not limited to passenger tires. So, no, my colleagues and I have been hard at work on our latest and most ambitious innovation yet. And that's what brings me to the world of trucking today. At Bridgestone, we've taken the same revolutionary fuel-saving technology that we use in our world-class Ecopia passenger tires, and we've applied it to the Bridgestone commercial truck tires. And if you think the savings are big with Ecopia tires on your car, think about the savings an owner-operator or a fleet can realize using this same technology in their over-the-road operations. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here today to introduce to you the Bridgestone Ecopia solution. And it is a solution. Ecopia tires take fuel efficiency technology to the next level while delivering the same performance that our customers have come to expect from Bridgestone truck tires. That is long mileage and fuel efficiency. Pretty unbeatable combination. And while the truck tires are designed for long mileage, we all know that even Bridgestone tires will someday wear out. And that's where the Bandag line of Fuel Tech retreads comes in. I just like saying that phrase. The Bandag line of Fuel Tech retreads. Anybody want to say it with me? Let's try it on three. 1, 2, 3. The Bandag line of Fuel Tech retreads. I feel very lonely right now. That's all right. You know, Bandag, as I'm sure you know, is the world leader in retread technology. And now, with the Bandag Fuel Tech line of retreads, fuel savings and long wear continue mile after mile, even after the original tread is gone. Ecopia tires and Bandag Fuel Tech retreads. Those are two product lines working together to offer our customers a total tire solution that doesn't shortchange fuel economy for tread wear or durability. Perhaps they'd like to come over and join us. Now, my engineer colleagues and myself could literally talk about these exciting new products until we are green in the face. I wrote that myself. It's a little bit of engineer humor. But now, it's time for me to stop talking about that and to introduce to you a true authority on the subjects of Ecopia and fuel tech, who's going to walk you through all the truly amazing benefits that these two revolutionary product lines. He also happens to be a movie star. So I'm kind of thrilled to be introducing the Vice President of Marketing for Bridgestone Commercial Solutions, Mr. Matt Damon. I'm sorry, it's not Matt Damon. I was so hoping to. But we have someone even better. It's Matt Damon's younger brother. Younger, more attractive, and brighter brother. Ladies and gentlemen, Vice President of Marketing for Bridgestone Commercial Solutions, Mr. Scott Damon.
Thank you, Ivar, and thank you for that Matt Damon reference. That happens a lot with me. So, we here at Bridgestone are very excited today to announce one of the largest product launches in the history of our company, and our new line of environmentally friendly truck tire products, Ecopia, and the corresponding line of Bandag retread products called Fuel Tech. Now, what if I told you we've come up with a solution that can save you up to 5% in overall fuel costs, and that same solution could save you up to 29% in total tire wear costs over the life of the tires? Well, today we're unveiling that solution. A technological achievement in advanced compounding, casing construction, and innovative tread designs when compared against leading competition that offers reduced rolling resistance without sacrificing mileage, tread wear, or durability. A solution that's both business smart and eco-friendly, one that lowers your costs over the life of your tires and offers greener returns along the way. So introducing to you these new patterns, these new products. We have 5 new Ecopia products for the steer, drive, and trailer positions in both the dual and wide base applications. And we have the corresponding line of Bandag Fuel Tech products, same tread designs in both the drive and trailer axle positions, and again, dual and wide base applications. So basically 9 new products. And they're designed and engineered to specifically work together, from the Ecopia new tire through multiple Bandag Fuel Tech retreads to again offer you the lowest total cost of ownership of your tire solution. But how do we do this? Typically when you design a tire, you tend to optimize one benefit to the detriment of others. Here we've optimized 3 critical benefits of the product to ensure this total solution low cost: fuel efficiency, tread wear, and durability. And I'd like to talk about those in a little more detail right now. So let's talk about fuel efficiency first. So 5% gain in fuel efficiency, 24% improvement in rolling resistance. There's 3 key technological features that help us achieve these gains in fuel efficiency. First, NanoProtect technology in our tread compounds. NanoProtect technology is simply allowing active ends on our rubber polymer to attach to carbon black. Sounds complicated, kind of confusing. What's it really mean? Well, when those ends basically attach to a carbon black particle, they reduce the amount of energy loss in the tread. Less energy loss, improved rolling resistance, better fuel efficiency. A key benefit in our Ecopia line of truck tire products. Second, our new Fuel Saver sidewall. This new material allows us to achieve a dominant change in operating temperature in the sidewall, 5 to 7 degrees, over a standard Bridgestone casing. Again, if the sidewall runs cooler, you improve the rolling resistance, you improve the fuel efficiency. And last, very excited to introduce our new IntelliShape sidewall. You'll see this in our M710 drive radial first and our R197 trailer radial as well, where we're basically reducing the amount of bead rubber volume in the bead area of the tire. By taking the weight down, we improve the rolling resistance, again, improving the fuel efficiency. And like I said before, we didn't just optimize one thing to the detriment of others. So how do we maintain the excellent tread wear without sacrificing fuel? Some key areas of benefits we see here with tread wear include our new Defense side groove you'll see in our R283 steer tire. The Defense side groove combines previous Bridgestone technology, our Defense groove and our side groove, to perform a Defense side groove itself. And what this allows us to do is improve the contact pressure of the shoulder in the footprint of the tire as the steer axle rolls. Increased contact pressure allows us to improve our irregular wear resistance, thus prolonging the life of the steer tire. Second, our new high rigidity tread patterns, both in the Ecopia lineup and in the Fuel Tech lineup. And essentially, when you have rigid elements or rigid rib design, you reduce the amount of squirm in the footprint. Less squirm leads to less irregular wear. And last, our new proprietary shoulder design. You'll see this on the R283 as well, where we've optimally designed the proper amount of cap-based rubber mix to ensure long, excellent tread wear life in the steer axle. And then let's get to durability. When we talk about durability at Bridgestone, this is at the heart of our product design. We're almost half of the retread market, so we want to ensure our casings last through multiple lives. Some technologies that allow us to achieve durability include our wave belt technology. Basically, wave belt technology is a circumferential belt that runs around our ultra-wide base products. Essentially allows the casing not to grow as much and eliminates stress at the belt edge. If you eliminate stress at the belt edge, you tend to improve the durability of the casing over multiple lives. Another example of durability improvement comes from our turn-in ply technology. And typically, like the belt edge, the ply ending tends to have a lot of stress as a tire flexes. We actually wrap the ply around the bead, again reducing stress there, improving the durability of the tire and the retreadability of the tire. And lastly, just in general with Bridgestone casings, we have the most retreadable casing in the marketplace. In fact, we mined data from our Bandag retread system over the last 2 years and took a sampling of 2 million casings retreaded over multiple manufacturers, brands, and sizes. And by far, the Bridgestone casing continues to prove statistically as the most retreadable casing in the market. And like I said, durability is at the heart of what we do in product design at Bridgestone. So let's move this to retreading a little bit. We've taken this same technology on tread design and advanced compounding and incorporated it in our Fuel Tech retread lineup. And that total tire wear savings that we talked about previously of 29% is essentially taking the Bridgestone Ecopia casing and retreading it 3 times with Bandag Fuel Tech versus not retreading it at all. Again, a total solution that offers you greener returns along the way. But it's not just about product technology at Bridgestone. It's about what we're doing to make our products eco-friendly for the environment. Globally, Bridgestone has a goal to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions on all products we manufacture by 35% by the year 2020. What we're doing today with Bridgestone's product line strategy on TBR and retreading is essentially our first step in achieving this goal. Essentially what we're trying to do is make our tires last longer, use less oil, and retread as much as we can. We feel this is a good step driving us towards that goal. One other thing to keep in mind with our Bridgestone Ecopia lineup is they're SmartWay verified, they're all CARB compliant, they meet current and future greenhouse gas and fuel efficiency standards set by NHTSA for both medium and heavy duty vehicles. So the entire lineup meets those standards, and we're very excited about that. One thing I do want to point out is when we look at rolling resistance, how do we actually achieve this amount of differential from our leading competition? We actually did our fuel efficiency testing against our 2 leading competitors with an independent third party. That allowed us to achieve a 5% improvement in rolling resistance on the steer axle, a 9% improvement in rolling resistance on the drive position, and a 10% improvement in rolling resistance on the trailer, for a total rolling resistance savings of 24%, which translates to a 5% improvement in fuel economy. Again, something we're very proud of by designing a solution that achieves this kind of fuel savings without sacrificing tread wear and with Bridgestone standard durability that we come to expect. But our audience doesn't have to just look at it from our data. They can actually look at our new online fuel calculator that we're launching today on a website called ecopiatrucktires.com. And by simply putting in your purchase price and removal mileage, you can calculate the total savings for your operation in both fuel consumption, total tire wear savings including retreading, as well as your reduction in greenhouse gas emissions over that time frame. As well, with this website, a fleet user can also get more detail and get direct contact to our sales force for a more complicated analysis. We're very excited about this new tool. Last, I want everyone to know that we're actually taking this message on the road over the course of the next year. And if you haven't been out to the parking lot with the show trucks, you'll see our new Ecopia road truck North American Tour display. And that schedule is actually listed in your press kits that you'll receive, as well as on our EcopiaTruckTires.com website. We're very excited about this truck. We think it adds to this message, and it adds to our message around being business smart and eco-friendly while lowering your costs with greater returns along the way. I thank you for this brief amount of time with you guys. We're excited about this, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask any Bridgestone employee, and please seek us out for your press kits and additional material. Thank you.